Letter number 30. To Muawiyah bin Abi Sufyan. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Fear Allah regarding what you have amassed and find out your true rights therein, and turn to understand for what you will not be excused on the grounds of ignorance. Certainly, for following the path of obedience there are clear signs, shining ways, straight highways and a fixed aim. The shrewd proceed towards them while the mean turn away from them. Whoever turns his face from them deviates from the right and gropes in bewilderment. Allah takes away his bounty from him and afflicts him with his chastisement. Therefore, beware of yourself. Allah has already shown you your way, and the end where your affairs will terminate. You are speeding towards the aim of loss and the position of unbelief. Your ego has pushed you towards evil, thrown you into misguidance, conveyed you to destruction and created difficulties in your way.